Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the video. It's your boy Mar, and today, man, we got something different. Pretty much, we're gonna do a little food review for MrBeast. If you see right here, we got the MrBeast burgers. We go ahead and did the triple. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's see.
And yeah.
See what it's about.
So we're just gonna see how it is, taste it, and we're just gonna pretty much give y'all a review. So yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share the video for both of us. And let's get right into it.
Alright, you ready to try this?
Uh-huh.
Is it good?
Okay. Fries pretty decent. Alright, we're gonna try a burger now. Fries are decent, hold up.
Different. Okay.
Yeah, that bite was just massive. Not really, but was that a big bite? Nah.
I think it's good.
Big? It's not just good. It's busting. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's busting. On what?
Uh-huh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what you rated so far? Dang, did this come out from the other end? Did you open this twice?
Mine are over here.
Did I open that twice? Brother, I'm tweaking.
Here's another one. Your big ass napkins. Look how big these fucking napkins are.
Bro, let me just show y'all. We got bacon added on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, different, bro. Different. We ain't got no actual ketchup, so I gotta use these packets, bro. Like, what is this? Oh yeah, by the way, can't forget, it's her birthday today. So yeah, just take y'all time, wish her happy birthday if y'all can. Yeah.
I appreciate it. It's been a
She's
pretty
turning
good
22. She did turn 22.
Yeah, it's been a pretty good birthday already, so this is topping it.
Oh yeah, show them what
Oh
I
yeah.
got our promise ring too. Mm-hmm.
He definitely did. I've been geeked about it.
It's a hit. Can't even lie. Busting in it. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really care for the fries though.
Yeah, they're like different. But
If y'all tried MrBeast's fries, y'all know, but if you don't know, I don't know how to explain it. They could be seasoned a little bit more, but I don't know. I really don't know.
this is like a really big burger.
You ain't never lied.
My mouth. You go. laugh at me for that.
Excuse me. You look cute for real. Anyway.
Yeah, my bad, YouTube. I was all dressed up and everything. I came home, got out of the outfit, and came straight to make this video and for us to do this review.
Alright, so far, since we both about like, I'm a little bit more than halfway done, but you feel me?
I'm trying, guys.
You feel me? Show me what you got left. Yes, sir. Alright, so far, 1 out of 10. Since we like halfway done. 1 out of 10 for the fries first. Like 1 through 10.
I'll give the fries like a 5-6. They need to be more seasoned or
Nice.
maybe a little bit more crunchier, but that's okay. But the burger, I can give that shit 9 out of 10, damn near a 10 out of 10. I don't like places like that. I'm really picky.
Alright, so me.
What about you? You talking about me?
Fries, I'm gonna give them like, like 6, 7, you know what I mean? A little bit more seasoning to them, you feel me? MrBeast, if you watching this, they fire, but you know me, you feel me? You know where I come from. You know? But 6, 7 on, bro. The burger, off the charts. I don't even know how to tell you. It's not even a 10 no more. It's probably like 15, 20. I ain't even gonna hold you. On what?
Facts. But I'm getting already full, so this is definitely a big burger. What? I had Chinese. I had everything at my mom's before you came. Like, don't do me.
Why you always getting full? You know that? You know where that's from?
I bet you're gonna find the meme and put it in the YouTube video.
I'm not doing that. I don't know how to tell you. Not a professional. But
It looks like they use this type of sauce too.
yo, I just want to go back, like, and order again. I'm not even hungry. This is just good. Like,
And you coming for me?
I'm finna finish my. I don't know what you talking about. It's
I'm
a triple.
finishing.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's not a double, not a single. It's a triple. So yeah.
And he's talking about me.
That shit flopping like a flip flop.
Cause I don't look no damn. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It feels like.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know what I was doing. I ain't gonna lie. You know when the food just be so good that you just get to dancing and shit. I like that. You feel me? Stop playing with him. I'm learning. That was like 10% effort. All right.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna rate this last bite.
I wish I had a last bite. I had like.
Well, anyways, that is my last bite, and I ain't gonna lie. I'm rating out of 10, beyond. So go ahead. If y'all like this video, man, like, comment, subscribe, share the video for your boy, MrBeast. Keep doing what you're doing, cause that burger.